Welcome, students. How are you? Hope you all are safe at your home. Do you know, student? Today we are going to read a poem about the fruits a poet loves. Do you like poems? Yes, I know that you all like poems very much. I also like the poems very much. Today we are going to read a poem. Do you like fruits? And I also ask today some IBL questions of this poem to you. Do you know what is the full form of IBL? IBL means inquiry based learning. Thought of the day is you never fail until you stop trying. मीन्स आप कभी भी फेल नहीं होंगे जब तक कि आप प्रयास करना बंद नहीं करते. मीन्स हमें हमेशा अपना प्रयत्न करना नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए. बिफोर स्टार्टिंग टुडेज वर्क, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल मैच आवर homework. Students, take out your worksheet of PA1 and its page number 11. It was your one day before homework. Let's match your answers. An oyster is a type of sea creatures. Oyster एक समुद्री प्राणियों का प्रकार है. It has hard shell. इसका कवच बहुत सख्त होता है. Number 3 is it has soft body inside. Full stop. ऑयस्टर का शरीर अंदर की तरफ से मुलायम होता है. Now look at number 4 sentence. Its body is in oval or round in shape. Student, it apostrophe then S means iska. You know, student, apostrophe S means का की के. इसका शरीर ओवल यानी अंडे के शेप में या फिर राउंड या फिर गोल आकार में होता है. Now look at number 5 sentence. It has white or grey color. Student, white means सफ़ेद और ग्रे मीन्स सिलेटी, यानी ऑयस्टर सफ़ेद या फिर सिलेटी कलर की होती हैं. Now look at number 6 sentence. Some oysters have pearls inside it. Means कुछ ऑयस्टर्स के अंदर पर्ल्स यानी मोती पाए जाते हैं. Now look at number 7 sentence. Oysters live in oceans. Oysters महासागरों में रहती हैं. So students, it was your one day before homework. Now we will do our today's work in your textbook. Now student, take out your course book English Junction and its page number 1660. Today we will read this poem. Do you like fruits? Student, tell me, do you like fruits? क्या आपको fruits पसंद हैं? Here are so many fruits. Do you know what are they? Look, these are grapes, banana, sugarcane, apple, mango, watermelon, chiku, and this is orange. Here are so many fruits. Do you like it? I know that you like these fruits very much. I also like this. So student, first of all we will read our poem. So you will also recite this poem with me. Apples in the winter time, chikus in the fall, mangoes in the summer time. I like it best of all. Oranges and kinnus bright, sugar cane so sweet, melons and the juicy grape, all of them are treat. And this poem written by Swapna Datta. So recite this poem with me again. Apples in the winter time, chikus in the fall, mangoes in the summer time. I like it best of all. Oranges and kinnus bright, sugar cane so sweet, melons and the juicy grape, all of them are treat. Student, we will circle the noun, underline the verbs and zigzag to the adjectives. Students, do you know what are noun, verb and adjectives? Let's revise quickly. Nouns are naming words of people, place, animals, birds or things like Rahi, Mani Mandir, cow, parrot and chair. Verbs tell us that what people, animals and things do. They are also known as action words or doing words like eat, drink, write and jump. Adjectives are describing words that tell us more about nouns, like our noun is soft, hard, slow or little and so on. So first of all we will do this work in our poem. Apples is a noun, so we will circulate. Winter is also a season name, so it is a noun, we will circulate. Chikus is a fruit name, so we will circulate, it is a noun. Fall means girna and it is a verb, so we will underline it. Mangoes are the fruit's name, so we will circle it. Summer. Summer is also a season name, so we will circle it. These are nouns. Apples, winter, chikus, mangoes and summers. Like. Like is a verb, so we will underline it. Like means pasand karna, and it is a verb. Now again, oranges and kinnus. These are fruits name. And do you know the name of things are also called a noun. Oranges and kinnus are fruits name. So we will circle it. These are nouns. Bright. Bright means chamkila, and bright word describe the oranges and kinnus. So it is a describing word or adjective. So we will zigzag it. Okay. Sugar cane. So sweet. Sugar cane is a fruit name. So we will circle it. It is a noun. And how is the sugar cane? Sugar cane is so sweet. So sweet is a adjective. We will zigzag it. Melons and the juicy grape. Melons, do you know? Melons are also a fruit name. And the juicy grape. Grape is also a fruit name, so we will circle it. And how is the grape? The grape is juicy. Means juicy word describe the grape. So it is a adjective. We will zigzag it. Now student, we will know the Hindi meaning of this poem. Apples in the winter time. In this line, the poet said that apples आते हैं कब आते हैं? विंटर यानी सर्दियों में. चीकूज इन द फॉल. चीकूज आते हैं गिरने वाले मौसम में. कब गिरने वाले मौसम में? When the leaves fall from the trees. यानी जब पत्तियां झड़ने लगती हैं पेड़ों से. It means autumn season. यानी चीकूज आते हैं ऑटम के सीजन में, और ऑटम का सीजन होता है फरवरी में. मैंगोज इन द समर टाइम. समर मीन्स गर्मियों में, और गर्मियों का सीजन कब होता है? जैसा कि इस समय हो रहा है मई और जून में. तो मैंगोज कब आते हैं? आम आते हैं गर्मियों के सीजन में. आई लाइक इट बेस्ट ऑफ ऑल. और पोएट किसको कह रहा है कि किसको बहुत पसंद करता है? वो मैंगोज को. वो इन सभी फ्रूट्स नेम में सबसे ज्यादा वो मैंगोज को पसंद करता है. तो कह रहा आई लाइक इट बेस्ट ऑफ ऑल. इन सब से ज्यादा मैं मैंगो को पसंद करती हूँ. Oranges and kinnus bright. In this line, the poet said the oranges यानी संतरे and kinnus कैसे होते हैं? ब्राइट कलर के होते हैं, यानी चमकीले कलर के होते हैं. सुगर केन सो स्वीट. और सुगर केन, डू यू नो सुगर केन? यस, सुगर केन. दिस इज अ सुगर केन मीन्स गन्ना. और सुगर केन कैसा होता है? सो स्वीट, बहुत मीठा होता है. मेलन्स एंड द जूसी ग्रेप. डू यू नो मेलन्स? यस, दिस इज अ वाटरमेलन. वाटरमेलन और ग्रेप्स, डू यू नो कैसे होते हैं? ये जूसी फ्रूट्स होते हैं, यानी इसमें जूस बहुत होता है. सो दैट द पोएट सेड मेलन्स और ग्रेप बहुत जूसी होते हैं. ऑल ऑफ देम आर ट्रीट. यानी एक साथ अगर ये मिल जाए तो क्या हो जाती है? अ ट्रीट, यानी एक पार्टी हो जाती है. सो वी विल रीड दिस पोएम अगेन. नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट आवर IBL क्वेश्चंस. डू यू नो what is the meaning of IBL questions? Means inquiry based learning. Now tell me student, what fruit can we get in winter? What fruit can we get in winter? Yes, we get apples in the winter. Now tell me, when do we get chikus? When do we get chikus? Yes, we read now that we get chikus in the fall season, means autumn season. Can you think of a fruit which is ripe and ready to eat in summer? Yes, it is a mango that ripe and ready to eat in summers. Okay, now my next question is, which fruit does the poet like the most? Which fruit does the poet like the most? Yes, according to this poem, the poet likes mangoes most. Now student, name two brightly colored fruits. Named two brightly colored fruits. Yes, the oranges and kinnus are brightly colored fruits. Now tell me student, what is special about sugar cane? What is special about sugar cane? Yes, sugar cane is so sweet. Now tell me, what is made from sugar cane? Do you know? Sugar is made from sugar cane. Yes, sugar that we eat in our tea or in our sweets. Students, are all the other fruits not juicy? No, all fruits are juicy like that we read in our poem. Now student, take out page number 17 in your textbook. We will know the word meaning of this poem. Chikus. Chikus means small brown fruits. Look students, these are chikus. यानी छोटे भूरे कलर के फल. The fall means the time of year just before winter. साल का वो समय जो कि सर्दियों से ठीक पहले आता है. When the leaves on the trees become yellow, जब पेड़ों की पत्तियां येलो यानी पीली हो जाती हैं, एंड फॉल टू द ग्राउंड और जमीन पर गिर जाती हैं. सो दिस सीजन इज कॉल्ड ऑटम यानी पतझड़ का सीजन. किन्नूज. किन्नूज मीन्स काइंड्स ऑफ ऑरेंजेस यानी ऑरेंज का एक प्रकार जिसे किन्नू भी बोलते हैं. लुक स्टूडेंट्स, दीज आर किन्नूज and they look like oranges. Sugar cane, the plant from which sugar is made. Look student, these are sugar canes. Means sugar cane means एक ऐसा पौधा जिससे सुगर बनाई जाती है. Melons means kinds of round summer fruits. Look student, these are melons and melons come in summer season. Do you know at this time which season is going on? Yes, summer season is going on and you and all are enjoying this fruit very much. यानी सर्दी गर्मियों का एक ऐसा फल जो कि गोल होता है. जूसी मीन्स हैविंग अ लॉट ऑफ जूस यानी जिसमें बहुत ज़्यादा रस हो. इट इज़ कॉल्ड juicy. Treat, something that you enjoy because it delights you. यानी कुछ ऐसा जिनका आप इंजॉय कर सके, मजा कर सके, क्योंकि because it delights you, क्योंकि वो आपको खुशी देता है. Now student, give me the answer of this question that are based on this word meaning. A kind of orange. Yes, a kind of orange means kinnus. Now tell me the plant from which sugar is made. Yes, sugar cane. Okay, a round summer fruit which has a lot of juice. Yes, it is melons. Okay, now tell me another word from autumn. Student, look at this picture. This picture is of autumn season, and in this season the leaves on the trees become yellow and fall to the ground. Autumn means the fall. Now tell me a special and enjoyable experience. Means a treat. Now student, look at question number B of our page number 17. Complete. C-O-M-P-L-E-T-E. Complete. These. T-H-E-S-E. These. Sentences. S-E-N-T-E-N-C-E-S. Sentences. Here are 3 sentences, and now we will complete these sentences after fill the blanks. Now look at sentence number 1. We can eat chikus during the days season. हम चीकूस किस मौसम में खा सकते हैं? Now student, tell me in which season chicus can eat? Yes, according to this poem, chicus, we can eat chicus during the autumn season. We will write here autumn. A-U-T-U-M-N. Now look at sentence number 2. Mangoes grow ripe in days. Mangoes पकते हैं, किन सीजन में पकते हैं? And we learn right now that mangoes grow ripe in summer season. So we will write here S-U-M-M-E-R summer, S-E-A-S-O-N season, full stop. Now look at sentence number 3. The grapes are very dash. Grapes बहुत हैं. Do you know students how are grapes? That the grapes are very juicy. J-U-I-C-Y, juicy. Now student, this is your work. do in your textbook. Goodbye everyone. Be safe.